Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Trader. So we can see that AU. Okay guys, this is the one of the stock which my subscriber asked about it. Okay guys, this is Anglo Gold Limited. Okay guys, this is Anglo Gold Limited. Chart in 1 hourly. You can see that after here only it taken resistance, here also taken resistance, here act as support. So what we can see, you can see here that with 5 minutes time frame I'm seeing that this is continuously consolidating right now. Okay guys, what is the next move? Okay guys, they ask what will be next week analysis. Okay guys, right now we are doing for a 5 minutes, so just shifting 1 hour. Okay guys, right now you can see here is only it is consolidating right now. Okay guys, what happened if it will once come and taking reversible from here, you can surely go for your first target will be here. Okay guys, this is your second target and third target. Okay guys, this is the possibility if it turns around from here only. Otherwise, what happened if it will come uh, downside and take resistance from here? Your first target will be this, second target, and your third target will be somewhere here only. Okay guys, these are the three targets, and remember this is the one of the major supporting areas, because I will tell you 1 second, I will just draw it. Okay, this is the one of the major supporting area, because you can see here how many times buyers can try to take it upside, but seller continuously taken it downside. Okay guys, 2 times buyer is completely successful, but after that seller is more dominated and taken it downside. You can see here, so this is the one of the major supporting areas too. So you can book here, or if it will take here only reversible, you can go for this target and up till here also. Okay guys, you can hold for 2 to 3 weeks also, you can achieve here up till here. Okay guys, we can see in Tesla. Okay guys, I will take you in a 5 minute time frame because of show you that it how many times it taken resistance. You can see that first time, second time, third time, 3 to 4 times it continuously buyer is trying to take it upside, and now it's upside. Okay guys, right now it is acting as a resistance, now it act as a support. Okay guys, I will take you in a 1 hour time frame. You can see that it is now what we have discussed, it taken resistance. You can see here, this is the taken resistance. Okay guys, after taken resistance we have achieved our target. After that, now what happened is that it is taken a support from here. What happened, some seller can take it downside also, and after that it will crosses, then your first target will be this, second target will be this. Okay guys, from here it will crosses this, then only go for it. Okay guys, this is the line. Just a second, I will shift it downside slightly. Okay, this is the thing. After this will break, you can go for your first target, and this is your second, this is your third target. Okay guys, after that, one thing is that it continuously consolidate and once again come and downside, then you can go for your first target, second target, and your third target. Okay guys, this is the big target what I am seeing. This is not come within a 1 week, it will take 1 month also. So see the thing. Okay guys, okay guys, now we can see in Netflix. Okay guys, we can go in 1 day time frame. You can see here what happened is that it taking continuously from here only, because of 20% it is gap down on that day. After that it going upside, but sellers do not believe that it can go. But remember one thing, this is gap is there. After that, here you can see that this is the one of the gap, it has to fill. Okay guys, remember one thing, whenever gap is there, so after that it has to fill, so this also has to fill. So right now you can see that it is bullish, some looking like bullish only. So you can see that I will just remove this. Okay, you can see that how nicely it is bullish is showing. Okay guys, now it is showing, not confirms. Okay guys, after that if it will once again come and take here support. Okay guys, otherwise you can buy here at 390 and your stop loss will be 375 and your target will be almost 508. Okay guys, right now I'm telling one thing, the index is so much overvalued right now, because stocks are so much overvalued. So sometimes that the index will come down. So that happened that Netflix also come down. So do not take any risk right now, so just let it be. Or you are risky trader, to so you can take $15 loss, you can book if you possible. So you can take this trade if you are risky trader. Okay guys, so you can go up till here, or it will take resistance from here. Your first target will be this only. Okay guys, this is not for 1 week only, this is for a 2 to 5 month. Okay guys, within that it can be filled. Okay guys, this is the analysis for Netflix. We can go for Apple. Okay guys, this is the Apple chart. You can see here what happened is that it is continuously taking here support. Okay guys, this is the supporting area. Because of this is the supporting area. You can see that it came down once again. It is market so much bullish, so everybody buyed here because very big gap down happened. So everybody buy and it taking in upside. So right now what we have analyzed is that it has to come here once again. Okay guys, it is continuously right now it's going. So this is the area where it can be take resistance and come down, or in flow only it can be come down, because I have told you that so many stocks are so much overvalued now. Bigger players, what do they do is that booking, they profit books there because of these things, because they see the overvalued stocks, so they can take a short position and sell their equity, or kept their equity but continuously selling like a future options they are there, so they can go and short there. That's why take a look, and if it will comes once again here, so you can, this is the best place you can buy here. Okay guys, otherwise here only it can may come downside. Okay guys, this will be happen. Okay guys, so we can see next also Google Alphabet. Okay guys, let's take Alphabet. You can see here what happened, what I have told you. If it will once again, it has to come here. Okay guys, why it came downside? This is the double top pattern. Okay guys, just slightly upside happened. This is the main thing. This is taken a huge gap up. You can see here double top. After that, how nicely it came down. Okay guys, this is acting as a supporting area right now. Okay guys, this is acting as supporting area right now. So what happened is that it continuously consolidate here only, then take support, then you can surely go for up till here. Okay guys, this is the take a small profit. This is your first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, these are the three target. If it will come downside and take resistance, you can surely go up till here. Okay guys, this is not for 1 to 2 weeks, this is for 1 to 2 months. Okay guys.